Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can check Samsung mobile manufacturing date. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open keypad, then dial star hash 12580 star 369 hash, and on top you can see main version. It means that your Samsung phone is original. Then you can find many other options, and on second last you can find manufacturing date. So you can see my Samsung phone is manufactured on 18 January 2021. So in this way you can find manufacturing date of your Samsung phone.